Kayo na din na-dedicate yung song.
Dayan, this song is dedicated to Dayan, Mira, and Celine. Yay! Celine! Super miss you. Yay!
Okay, game.
Title is Way Back into Love. Song hits, diba?
Yes.
Okay. Wait lang. Bilang tayo.
1, 2, 5, 6.
10. Game. 1, 2, 10. Ano ba? Go na! Dali, naiinip yung mga viewers.
Dali.
Living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my head. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. I've been watching, but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching, but I just don't see the signs. I know that it's out there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I could use some direction, and I'm open to yours. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, the shower. And if you're hoping it's not love, I'm hoping I'll be there for you in the end.
Gusto kanina pa niya gusto.
There are moments don't know if it's real or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. Bet na ako, kakain na ako. Celine, Dayan, Lira. Miss you. Be there, go in the end. Gusto ko yung isa yung Bizarre Love. For Celine, di ba?
Abuso naman to.
Tapos cut muna, cut! Another set.
Cut.